If you are searching the answer for the question what is COC, I will explain you everything in the easiest way possible. A Certificate of Conformity COC may also be called a Declaration of Conformity or the Homologation Certificate too. It's a producer's declaration that the vehicle complies with a given approved type and confirms the original state of the vehicle. The COC document is issued only by car producer or his official representative and needs to contain all necessary information to have a legal value. Our company eurococ as an intermediary company is providing authentic and genuine certificates of conformity. They are valid for vehicle registration in all European Union and countries of the European Economic Area including Switzerland. The Certificate of Conformity is printed on a special COC paper and contains the most important technical characteristics of the vehicle. For example, the vehicle identification number, homologation number, number of seats, vehicle emission norms and many others. Unlike a certificate of registration, it usually has 51 technical points. The majority of these data can be requested in the next vehicle registration and to complete the vehicle registration certificate. The COC certificate can be requested for car registration if the vehicle is imported from another European country. The registration office may need a proof that the vehicle complies with all European standards and can be registered in all European countries without the need to check the car personally or without asking other additional documents. The European certificates of conformity have been put into practice at various times for various types of vehicles. For example, the European standards and norms for passenger vehicles have been implemented as of 1996. It means that the certificates of conformity are available for passenger vehicles manufactured only after that year. As for vans, or also called light goods vehicles, COC certificates are available for the vehicles manufactured after the year 2010. For motorcycles and scooters, the certificates of conformity are available after the year 2005. These rules obviously can be applied for vehicles produced for the European market and always registered only in the European Union. It is very important to say that vehicles without European homologation do not have the certificate of conformity. It means they cannot be registered in European countries without the need to supply the registration authorities with additional documents and car registration check. This can be the case of the vehicles destined for the American or Japanese markets, or maybe of the vehicles produced before the establishment of the CE community homologation. The easiest way to order the COC document for your vehicle is to order it on the website www.eurococ.eu. You will find there a menu which, after you choose the type and brand of the vehicle, will allow you to order the certificate of conformity online. Obviously, you have to fill in your contact details with shipping address too, so that we can deliver the COC wherever you prefer. The form takes you less than 5 minutes, and then you just have to wait for the COC certification to be issued and delivered, and you can complete all the administration process of the vehicle registration. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact our customer service, and agents of eurococ will be glad to assist you.